Hello everybody and welcome back to another Cryptronic FX video. In today's video I'm basically going to be covering the fractals of the market. For those of you that don't know what fractals are, well, have you ever seen like a snowflake, the study of a snowflake and how, like obviously what the snowflake looks like, with the particles inside of it are made up of what the snowflake looks like, right? It's actually made up of what the bigger thing looks like. The smaller things are what the bigger thing is, pretty much. And it's the same with the forex markets, right? Or any market at that. Crypto, stocks, indices, anything. All these markets work the same. Like it's just based on an algorithm, right? So yeah, let's get to it, right? Let's say that this is represented as a 4 hour. Price makes a low, a high, builds some liquidity, inducing our zone. We tap in, and then we cause a break of structure. So this is a high probability zone here, this one. Why? Well, it's broke structure and it's took opposing liquidity, tapped into our demand, and yeah, we've just got an impulsive move. We're clearly bullish on the 4 hour. But in between that, the 15-minute is represented by the red. Price is going to go bearish, right? Because we need to get bearish in order to reach our demand zones, in order for the banks to reach their unmitigated positions on the 4 hour, and then to take price up to break the 4 hour structure, right? So if price is trending bearish here, you probably get like a 4 hour change of character within here, and then respect the supply and then break a structure. Am I going to trade this? Yeah, for sure I'm going to trade this, because what I'm really waiting for is this higher low, the big move, the higher low to be printed and targeting these highs. But am I going to sit there and watch lows of opportunity just go and watch by me? No, I'm going to get involved in the market. Does it incur more losses? Yeah, it does incur more losses, but at the end of the day, if you look at the results overall, they're going to be far better off, right? So that's another thing with trading. You can't be scared of taking a loss, right? Losses are where you find your lessons. It's how it goes for anything. I don't know, riding a bike, maybe you stop pedaling for the first time. That's a loss because you fell off, you haven't done it successfully. But okay, cool. And you now know what to do. You just keep pedaling and you'll gain your balance, right? Same with anything. So yeah, I'm probably going to incur more losses, but I'm willing to take that because I know that overall I'm going to be better off, right? So price is now trending bearish on the 15-minute, respecting supply, breaking structure. Price then created liquidity and then pushed up and tapped into our supply. Why is this a high probability setup? Well, the 15-minute is bearish, so it's pro trend 15-minute, right? It creates liquidity to induce our zone. So this is a very, very good area to get in. I take most of my position off here, and then I guess I can leave like 10 or 20% running to here, but full TP here is fine for me, because if I'm getting in on the 1 minute here, like if I just show you like the 1 minute here. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I'll leave it that way. The 1 minute's going to be doing this, trending bearish. We get a shift. Oh shit, wrong way. My bad. Okay, we get a shift. Am I going to take that trade? Yeah, 100%. 100%. And then I'll be targeting this low here. So if you're getting in the 1 minute, you can have a smaller stop loss. That's going to be about I'd say a 1 to 15, something like that, 1 to 20, which is very, very good, like really good. So yeah, so that's a high probability setup because we're 15-minute bearish. We have liquidity to induce our zone, targeting this low. Okay, we get a break structure here. Again, supply cause that break of structure. Take a trade from here if you wish. But the only time we wouldn't take sells is when we tap our area of interest for the H4 buying, right? We're not going to sell when we're in a H4 zone for buying. Yeah, you may get 1 or 2 trades that will work for selling in a higher time frame point of interest for buying, but it's all about probability, right? You don't want to be risking your money. You don't want to be risking your positions for something that isn't a high probable setup. So you're not going to do that. You want to be looking for areas to buy. Obviously, you wait for the confirmation. Okay, look, we get a change of character here. You could, obviously, this is a 15-minute. You could wait for 1 minute confirmations in here. Okay, we didn't get 1 minute confirmations, or even if we did get a 1 minute change of character or break of structure, you could enter -1R. Cool, that's fine. And then we go again. And we look for a change of character again, right? Hopefully that makes sense. And then we actually get the change of character. This was the demand that caused it, and then the 1 minute's going to be doing this, right? Okay, so this is a 1 minute trending up here, this leg, and then it comes down here, which is this here, and then it taps into our demand. Oh, sorry, here, and then here, taps into our demand, and then we get a change of character, a 1 minute order shift. Yeah, I'll be taking a trade off that 100%. 100%. And the thing is with the 1 minute, if you're trading crypto, you're trying to day trade crypto, it's a lot riskier. Forex is a lot easier to day trade, like a lot easier, honestly. You could get better like risk to reward as well. Crypto, you do crazy stuff like you can 10x like or 100x your positions, but it's very unlikely. And the thing is with crypto, if you're putting a trade on, you're risking the whole of the money that you put on, right? But with Forex, when you open up a position, you have your account size and you risk 1% of that. So if you lose a trade, that's cool. Like you've risked 1%, that's fine. But with crypto, if you lose that trade, you've lost all the money, right? So say if you've got like a 10 grand account on Forex, £100 obviously going to be what you're risking on the trade. Okay, cool, you took £100 loss, but let's say if like you put £1,000 into crypto, you're putting that whole £1,000 at risk, right? And that's not even matching the sizes of the account. Let's just match it, for example, 10 grand. You're risking 10 grand on a position. So that's why I prefer day trading Forex. That's why I think it's better. But hopefully this cleared it up for you guys. And yeah, so that's pretty much the fractals of the market. Just understanding that the 15 minutes going to go bearish in order to create the higher low on the 4 hour. So don't be selling, like be aware of the higher time frame, sort of similar to the other video that I created, but like a bit more in detail with like the fractals and stuff, the 1 minute where you can get in and stuff like that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you're feeling stuck or confused even after this, because this is pretty like simplified, be sure to hit me up for a one-to-one call. Tons of value left in there. Another thing that I want to cover quickly before I go is I mentioned in the Discord yesterday, I put a message about your guys' future, where you see yourself, what you want to become. And this is really important, right? Because we have created this Discord for people to improve their lives, for people to, like, I'm guessing that you're all here because you want extra money, right? You're all in a crypto server because you want extra money in your pocket. I mean, who doesn't? Money is freedom. But so you need to like have the mindset right. You need to like aspire to be something. Like just think of where you will be in 5 years. If you see nothing, you will be nothing. If you don't think or you don't want to become something, you won't become something. That's just how it is. That's how it works. If you don't have any aspiration to become better, to be living a luxury life or to have the funds to help people or anything, then you ain't going to be shit, right? You need to have something to work towards. And this is why we have provided the free Discord. So yeah, just take on board with the knowledge that we've provided for free. This knowledge is incredible, honestly. So yeah, take this on board and yeah, just grind. That's literally it. So yeah, that's it from me. I hope that you guys have a great day and peace out. I'll see you in the next one.